Intel Core Ultra 200HX and Core Ultra 200H Arrow Lake CPUs debut for high-end gaming and premium laptops up to 24 cores and 5.5 GHz with LPG+. Intel has introduced its next-gen Core Ultra 200HX, 200H and 200U Arrow Lake families for laptops, aiming at the high-end and premium segments. Intel Arrow Lake goes mobile with Core Ultra 200HX, 200H and 200U CPU lineups, up to 24 cores for enthusiasts. Today, Intel is finally launching its much-awaited update to the laptop segment and a follow-up to its Meteor Lake and Raptor Lake families in the form of the Arrow Lake Core Ultra Series 2-inch CPUs. The new chips come in various shapes and sizes, from the ultra-high-end Core Ultra 200HX to the premium Core Ultra 200H for thin and light platforms and the power-savvy Core Ultra 200U family. All of these chips have something to offer to a diverse range of consumers, so let's see what each chip family has to offer. Intel Core Ultra 200HX Arrow Lake CPUs for enthusiasts. Starting first with the high-end SKUs, we have the Intel Core Ultra 200HX family, which is designed to power gaming and content creator platforms. This lineup features a total of 6 CPUs, offering a vast array of configurations with P cores and E cores. Just like the previous HX offerings, the Core Ultra 200HX CPUs feature the same dies as the desktop part. The top SKU in the lineup is the Core Ultra 9285HX, which is equipped with 8 P cores and 16 E cores for a total of 24 cores and 24 threads. This chip has a boost clock of up to 5.5 GHz and packs 36 MB of cache. The Core Ultra 9275HX features the same configurations but runs at a lower clock speed of 5.4 GHz. Then we have the 20-core, Core Ultra 7265HX and Core Ultra 7255HX CPUs, which come with 30 MB of cache, up to 5.3/5.2 GHz clocks, and lastly, there's the 14-core, Core Ultra 5245HX and the Core Ultra 5235HX CPUs, which feature 24 MB cache and clocks of up to 5.1 GHz. Key features of the Intel Core Ultra 200HX and H series mobile processors include up to 24 cores, 8 performance cores, P cores, and 16 efficient cores, E cores, for the HX series, and up to 16 cores, 6 P cores, 8 E cores, and 2 low-power E cores, for the H series, based on Intel's latest core architecture. These new processors give gamers, creators, and professionals the computing power they need for gaming and creating. G on the go, including up to 41% better multi-thread, mount, performance for the Intel Core Ultra 200HX series compared to prior Gen HX series processors. The Intel Core Ultra 200H series features Intel Arc graphics with up to 8 Intel's cores featuring Intel's Matrix extensions, XMX, for eye acceleration, providing up to 22% better gaming performance compared to prior Gen H series processors. Across the entire platform, these processors deliver up to 99 TOPS, trillion operations per second, when using the Graphics Processing Unit, GPU, Central Processing Unit, CPU, and Neural Processing Unit, NPU. The Intel Core Ultra 200HX series processor is Intel's first mobile enthusiast high PC with a built-in NPU, providing 13 TOPS. The Intel Core Ultra 200HX series processor provides the latest in bandwidth and connectivity, with as many as 48 total key lanes, including Key 4.0 and 5.0, to connect the latest discrete GPUs and storage. Packaging improvements result in a 33% smaller processor package overall, enabling new premium thin and light designs without compromising on performance. Select Intel Core Ultra 200HX SKUs will offer overclocking options to further tune performance, with key features including compute overclocking for P cores and E cores. Intel Extreme Memory Profile, XMP, support for DDR5 SO-DIMM overclocking. New overclocking interfaces include die-to-die and fabric and controls like 16.6 MHz ratios. Intel Extreme Tuning Utility with one-click overclocking using the Intel Speed Optimizer feature. All Intel Core Ultra 200HX CPUs feature 4G Gen 5 and 4G Gen 4 lanes with dual integrated TB 4.0 ports and support discrete Thunderbolt 5 capabilities. For memory, the CPUs support standard DDR5 6400 SO-DIMMs, or OEMs can select between the faster LPDDR5X or LP5/5X CAM2 memory modules. Laptops featuring these chips can go up to 192 GB of memory, and the base power for each chip is rated at 55 watts with the MTP, maximum turbo power, suggested at 160 watts. As for performance, the HX chips will offer over 5% single-thread and over 20% multi-thread uplift versus the Raptor Lake 8 refresh CPUs, while offering up to 13 TOPS of NPU performance. Intel Core Ultra 200H and Core Ultra 200U for thin and lights. Moving onward, we have premium thin and light options in the form of the Core Ultra 200H and 200U families. The Core Ultra 200H family features up to 16 cores, 6 plus 8 plus 2, with 16 threads, 24 MB of cache, up to 5.4 GHz clocks, and TDPs that are configured between 28 to 45 watts at the base power and 60 to 115 watts at MTP. The lineup include the Core Ultra 9285H as the flagship, and the full specs can be found in the table at the end. As for the IGBU capabilities, the Intel Core Ultra 200H CPUs will be equipped with the updated LPG Plus or Alchemist Refresh chips with up to 8 cores, offering up to 77 GPU TOPS. The chips will carry full XMX support and allow the utilization of ZSS, bypassing the DP4A requirement. The IGBU is said to provide over 15% performance uplift over the Meteor Lake H IGBU. The CPU side delivers over a 15% boost in multi-threaded performance versus Meteor Lake H. Lastly, 4 Intel Core Ultra 200U parts feature the same configuration across all the SKUs. These include the Core Ultra 7 265U, 255U, and the Core Ultra 5 235U and 225U. They offer 12 cores, 2 plus 8 plus 2, 14 threads, 12 MB cache, up to 5.3 GHz clocks with 2 XP Gen 4 lanes, 4 TB 4.0 ports, and up to Wi-Fi 7 support. All 4 chips have the same 15 watts base and 57 watts MTP ratings. As for availability, the Intel Core Ultra 200H and Core Ultra 200U Arrow Lake platforms will be available starting February 2025, while the Core Ultra 200HX platforms will become available in the first half of 2025. There will be loads of options to select from, making use of the latest discrete GPU hardware available at the time.